3, 2, 1, lift off.
So the G, Kyle the ringer is in the belfry, ringing up Ampolizali, a mastermind of campanology, KTR Kyle the ringer.
What's ringing, guys? It's Carlo here, and welcome to another vid at Barrow local up there. This time the quarter chimes will work, thankfully. Apparently what was stopping it was it keeps getting jammed, but hopefully it'll be fixed and it'll keep doing it without any jams soon. But I hope everyone enjoys this. You'll see those 4 to 5 levers move. Yeah, so you see, when those 4 to 5 or 6 cables move like they did, that lifts the hammer up off the bell, and when it drops like it was doing, the hammer drops onto the bell, and that's what's making the bell ring. So, I'll come back to you as a quarter to, and then I'll place my camera down in the my GoPro down in the belfry like I did last time, because the quarter chime's working now. So until quarter 2, ring out.